Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix any of your apps or any of your games not downloading, not running, or not launching. And to get started, the first thing you guys can do is the first method you guys can do is forcefully close the apps. So you can do that by opening up the task manager, or you can click on Control, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. Now let's just say, for example, my AMD Radeon software wasn't opening, and I somehow already have it opened. What you're gonna do is just simply forcefully close it, and you can do that by right-clicking on your app and clicking on End Task. Now once I do that, you can X out of the task manager and then go to your Windows icon and then just simply type it on, and then you can try opening it that way. If that did not work, the second method you guys can do is, for example, if my Valorant or my Riot client wasn't working, what I could do is right click on the app icon, and I'm going to click on Run as Administrator and just click yes, and then wait for that to open up. Now this is a good fix, as it most of the time like it just worked. See, usually this is the fix to most app or games not working. The third method you guys can do is right click on the app icon, open up the Properties tab. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the Compatibility tab. You're going to check this Run this program as an administrator box, and you're also going to check the Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now once you do that, you can hit apply, and then you can hit OK. Now once you do that, just simply click X out of the Windows tab, and what you're going to do is just simply left click on the app icon and then try to see if that works. If that does not work, the fourth method you guys can do is simply restart your PC. If that also does not work, the other thing you guys can do is simply delete and reinstall the app with the latest update. And now after you have done all of this, hopefully your apps or your games should be working now, as most of the time this does work, or 99% of the time this does work. And yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. I hope this video helped. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.